our program. A very big thank you from all the teachers of St. Xavier's Evening School to our dear headmaster, all the sirs from the ALSOC office, and all our dear parents for sharing your valuable time to make this evening a successful one. And not forgetting a very big thank you to our Vice Principal for making all these facilities so easily available to us. And a big thank you to our Bhaiyas, Patras ji and Solomon for helping us and for being there all the time for us. Thank you so much. Now I would like to request our dear headmaster to please come and say a few words.
That's okay.
That's okay. I can sing all the speech that way. Hallelujah to his name. Sorry, Father.
I can make everything is being recorded.
First of all, I would like to congratulate all the boys. They have put up a wonderful performance, a beautiful performance within a short period of time. They did not have much time to practice and rehearse. It was something very nice to see these small kids performing so wonderfully well. And therefore, first and foremost, congratulations to the boys. I request everyone present here to put your hands together and congratulate the boys. Second, I would like to express our gratitude, my gratitude to all the teachers for having trained these boys to perform this evening. It is not so easy to have these small little kids performing so beautifully on the stage. It has taken several hours of practice, several sessions of rehearsal and training them. So all the teachers who are busy teaching them and training them, my thanks goes to them. I would also like to at the same time thank there are a number of other volunteers. Some of them are with us regularly. Pallavi is presently here. There are other volunteers. I saw some of them taking the videograph or other doing other work. There are many other volunteers. There is a sister who has been helping where I cannot find her. She must be.
She's at the end.
She is there, all right. They all have contributed for the success of this program, and therefore thank you dear volunteers, thank you for your generosity, thank you for your time, thank you for being a part of St. Xavier's Evening School. I'd also like to thank others, those who have made the material arrangements, Patras and Solomon and other members of the staff for their availability. I'd also like to thank the members of the Alumnorum Societas, represented by two of the persons here, Mr. Deepen Dutta and Vishnu Jaiswal. They are present. It was possible because of their active cooperation and support. So thank you on behalf of also thank you gentlemen for your presence and constant support. I would also like to thank everyone, all the parents present here. Most of you have seen the presentation this evening. So thank you and keep coming. What I would finally would say is our children, the evening school children, they need much more performance-based intelligence development program. Meaning to say that sitting in the classroom and studying should be almost corresponding with that of the performance. Therefore, my request to the teachers, Alfonso, and there are several other teachers, please think for other occasions, other chance where these kids could come up and put a program. Maybe Children's Day, maybe Teachers' Day, maybe Rabindra Jayanti, maybe of other national festivals. There are many occasions where these kids could come this facility, the auditorium, other services are always available. The services of the volunteers always available. We need to tap them, and I think we will be able to do wonderfully well. So this evening, thank you very much, and good day to you.